how to withdraw money from Bitget to bank account on PC. Now, first of all, open your Bitget account. Now, after that, what you need to do, so head over to buy crypto and select P2P trading. Now click on it. And as you can see here, you will be able to find two options, buy on and sell option. So in this case, we will need the sell option. Now click on sell, and after that, select the token that you want to withdraw. In this case, you select USDT because this is the most well-known token that you can withdraw. So after that, set the amount here. You can set it here or you can set it after. Now after that, what you need to do, select your bank from here. So search for your bank, as you can see here. So if you don't find it here, you can search it on here, as you can see, like that, Wise for example, and you can find your token. So after that, as you can see, if you don't see your desired bank account, you can check or select this option. You can click on bank transfer. Now after that, what you need to do, select one of these providers. You can see that you can sell your crypto to. So after you select one of these, for example this one, now click on sell, and as you can see, the merchant is offline and may not reply remotely. Please think carefully before placing an order. So I will just pass that. So select that one that you can sell your token. So it seems that we have just two providers here. So I will just give you an example by selecting that one. Now click on confirm. So after that, what you need to do, now set the amount that you want to sell, for example 100, because I don't have any USDT, I can't be able to set it here. So for you, just set how much you want to sell, and this is how much you will be able to receive. You will be able to find it here. Now after that, pay with. Now select the bank transfer. You can now provide, this is the name, your name. Now provide the bank name that you have on that bank. Now provide the bank account number and the IBAN, and now you can provide also the bank branch and card number if you want. So the optional field, the optional field doesn't have that little star here, as you can see next to the name of that box. So you can provide just bank name and the bank account number, and after that, click on save and use, and after that, as you can see, you can click on sell, and you will be able to withdraw your money to your bank account. So this is how to withdraw money from Bitget to bank account on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.